everyone, I'm excited today because I'm here to do kind of a recap on the giveaway that we're fixing to do for Pumpkin Doll. She's a BJD doll that we purchased and stripped all of her paint. Pat did a face paint up, I did her hair and made her new clothes, all the way down to her shoes and jewelry. And we're going to give her away on October the 1st. We have a specific video, the giveaway video, so I will leave a link on the bottom of this video that you can click on if you want to enter the contest. And first of all, I want to thank all the people who have already entered the contest, who have subscribed to the channel. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. And we also want to make sure that everybody understands the rules because there are 2 rules. The first rule is that you are to type the word pumpkin in a single comment. Only the word pumpkin. If you want to send other comments, we would love to hear your other comments. Just be sure they're in a separate comment. The second one is you have to subscribe to our channel. Of course, we're doing this so we can thank our subscribers that we have and to add a lot more to our family. And be sure that your subscription is public, because if your subscription is private, then we don't know that you subscribe. We need to verify it because we need to be fair to those who did subscribe. Whenever you first join YouTube, your subscriptions are automatically put on private. Most people do not know this. So to correct that, go into your settings, and on the left side of the screen is a word privacy. Click on it. It will take you to a screen where you can deactivate your subscriptions from private. Then go on a separate comment and notify me that, hey, I have put my subscriptions public. Then I can go in and see that and verify it. Then I'll send another comment and let you know that you are now entered into the contest and you have followed all the rules. That way, if you want to go back and make your subscriptions private, you can do so. Just remember that it only shows your subscriptions publicly, not any of your other information on YouTube. Nothing else about you will be exposed except for your subscriptions. But again, if you want them private, that's fine. You go ahead and do that. But just be sure that you make it public long enough to enter the contest and to notify me of that. So remember, you just need a single word pumpkin in a comment all by itself, and also to subscribe to our channel and make sure you make it public. You can only enter the contest once, but you can share the giveaway video as many times as you want to your family and your friends, and if they don't want the doll and they win, they can give the doll to you. That will up your chances. We have a lot of ideas for videos, and if there's anything you know that you would like to see us do, because we do a lot of stuff. We do the BJD dolls, Pat's the painter, I even do clay work. We're going to do some other videos to show you how we do what we do. And Pat also is starting to make weapons for the BJD dolls. We just have all kinds of ideas of things to do. And we also do creepy dolls, because beautifully jagged dolls, all of our dolls are a little bit on the jagged side. So they're beautiful in a kind of creepy way. So we have a lot more BJD dolls coming up. Can't wait to share those too. So if you have any ideas of anything that you would like to see us do on the channel, please leave a comment, and we will, in modern, see of what we have knowledge of. We would love to do that for you. So remember to enter the contest, follow those 2 rules, and on October the 1st, we are going to do a drawing for Pumpkin. We're going to put all the subscriber names that have entered the contest into a pumpkin and do a drawing on October 1st. We are going to notify you 3 hours in advance of the video coming up on October 1st, so you need to ring the bell if you want to know in advance what time it will be on. We wish we could do it live, but we don't have enough subscribers yet to do live videos. And when we reach 500, we will do another video for another giveaway. That's right. When we reach 500 subscribers, we're going to do another giveaway. Pat and I just like to give things away, so we want to do more giveaways. In the meantime, good luck on winning Pumpkin, and thanks for entering the contest, and thanks for subscribing to this channel. Bye.